Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you a simple Python project that I've made called Movie Poster Finder using the OMDb API and Gradio. Basically, this app lets you type in the name of a movie and it shows a poster of that movie. So at first, I'm gonna be showing you how this works, and then I'm gonna be explaining you the code. So here's the interface, and let's say any movie, for example, Interstellar. Uh, and there you go. You have the movie poster, and if you want, you can download it as well. And you can select where to download and whatever. And if there's a wrong input, let's say something, anything, for example, it's just gonna show an error message. And you also have an option here where you can choose whether you want dark mode, light mode. um, that's the light mode. Here's the light mode. And you can also select a language of your preference, any language you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna be explaining you the code. So basically here, as you can see, pip install Gradio requests. It's basically you install the required libraries, Gradio, which is used to create the user interface for the app, and requests. And the request helps us send HTTP requests to fetch data from the API. And here you import the libraries, and then this is the API and API key and base URL that I've used. And then I've created this function, get movie poster, which basically takes the movie name as an input. It sends a request to the API with the movie name, and if the response is successful, the movie is found. It returns the poster's URL. If it isn't, then it shows a image placeholder, which means it shows an error message. And show, as you can see here, we have show movie poster. This basically, after you get the movie poster from the API, it displays the movie poster. And here you can see show movie poster. It shows you, it also gives you the text, image, and that's the title of the app. And this is for the input field. Enter movie name to get its poster, which is right here, that one, this one. And let's say you launch the app with this interface and everything. Sorry, this one, sorry. Hello. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys. With this, I've learned how to use API and Gradio together. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.